Namaste. Welcome to day 27 of our 30-day Carnatic Revision Challenge based on Sangeetha Balapadam Book 1. Today's lesson, Swarajati 1, Rara Venu. In this revision, we'll sing only the Sahityam. If you would like to revise the Swaras for Swarajatis, check out my Swarajati course. I have added the playlist link below. Let's begin.
Sari ga pada sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa Rara Venu Gopala Rajita Sadguna Jayashila Sara Sakshane Ramemi Marubada Korvalera Rara Venu Gopala Rajita Sadguna Jayashila Nanta Gopala Neniltu Bojala Neniltu Rara Sadamalamati Lomudamala Ragana Yeturu Gagatiya Rara Venu Gopala Rajita Sadguna Jayashila Palumaru Nugaravamunanu Pilachina Palukavuna Lukagura Karivarada Mari Marina Yadaramukro Larakani Karamugara Ravenu Gopala Rajita Sadguna Jayashila Ranagadara Muragarara Bavagarara Vera Ye Maguvanu Ye Lalalanu Ye Sokasini Shekora Kori Kalimboda Delta Muniyana Jeranu Nujauta Maruvakura Karamulacho Mari Marini Nujaranani Darara Ravenu Gopala Rajita Sadguna Jayashi Sara Sakshat Neramemi Marubata Korvalera Rara Venu Gopala Rajita Sadguna Jayashila.
That completes day 27, Swarajati 1, Rara Venu. Tomorrow we'll move to day 28, Swarajati 2. Keep practicing daily to strengthen your voice, rhythm and clarity. Comment where you are joining from and subscribe to continue your 30-day Carnatic journey. Thank you.